Hey guys, in this video I will show you how to turn on a few iPhone settings for faster internet and better calls. Alright, let's begin. First, open the Settings app and tap Mobile Service. Go to Mobile Data Options and turn on data roaming if your carrier supports it without extra charges in your region. Next, tap Voice and Data and select 5G on for the fastest possible speeds. If you want to save battery life, you can choose 5G Auto instead. Then go back and make sure to disable low data mode. This gives your iPhone better performance when using mobile data. If you don't have an unlimited data plan, keep in mind that this setting may use more data. Now, return to the Cellular menu and enable Wi-Fi calling. This improves call quality when your cellular signal is weak by routing calls over a Wi-Fi connection. You can also scroll down and disable iCloud Drive, iCloud Backup, and Wi-Fi Assist under cellular data if you don't want them using mobile data in the background. Finally, improve your Wi-Fi speed by going to Settings, Wi-Fi, tap the I button next to your network, then select Configure DNS. Switch it to manual, remove the existing entries, and add 1.1.1.1 and 1.0.0.1. Then tap Save. These Cloudflare DNS servers can provide faster and more reliable browsing. Finally, test your internet speed. Open the Safari browser and search for Internet Speed Test. Open any website from the results and then start the speed test. You may now see better results than before. So that's basically how you can turn on these settings for faster internet and better calls on your iPhone. That's it for this video. Thanks!